everybody, and welcome to Yoga is Life. This video will be about the foundation of yoga. If you want to understand anything about yoga, you really have to know the fundamental basics about yoga, and it actually lies within the evolution of yoga. So that's what this video today is about. According to yoga, the human spirit is suffering from restlessness. It's like we have an awareness of a reality that we just seem to not be able to reach. So we chase. We try to get rid of the restlessness by satisfying desires. And that is whether it's in family or in your career or financial gains. And the thing about satisfying desires is that the satisfaction is really short-lived. You might be happy, satisfied and fulfilled for a few days, and then you come up with a new desire that you have to chase and run down and succeed in. And that's basically the wheel of life, like chasing and fulfilling, and then again feeling a kind of emptiness or separation or restlessness. So yoga describes this via evolution. And before we look at the evolution according to yoga, we just have to run through a few aspects of yoga. So first of all, we have the term called Brahman, and Brahman is absolute or pure consciousness. And Brahman is also, or this consciousness, which is also reality, is unmoving, unchanging, undifferentiated, and infinite and formless. And right next to Brahman, we have also the individual soul, and that's called Purusha. And then we have a term called Prana, and Prana is the vital life force or the cosmic breath, which animates everything within the universe. And so if we look at the evolution of yoga, you can see on this diagram that before evolution happened, there was just oneness. There was just this pure consciousness, unchanging, undifferentiated, unmoving, and formless, and infinite, which is Brahman. And so we also have here in the top circle, we also have Purusha, which is the individual soul, and then we have Prana, which was life force, which is in a potential state. And then when we move down to the second circle, it's the second stage of evolution. Here we can see that Prana becomes active and creates matter. But both mind and matter in the second stage is still a part of oneness. And then the manifest universe happened, and that's in the third stage. And then you can see it's divided into two. And in the first part, matter becomes separated from oneness. And in the second part, you can see that both mind and matter are separate from oneness. And no matter what kind of yoga you are practicing, the purpose is to reunite our individual self with the pure consciousness, so we don't feel restless anymore, so we don't feel unfulfilled. It's basically, yoga is basically a process of becoming whole. And to get to reunite with oneness, we meditate. It's not done through physical exercises because it's a conscious journey. It doesn't just happen by chance because you are making downward facing dog. And these exercises that we are doing to make prana flow in the body. So we have a strong and healthy body, and so that we become strong internally. So they are kind of a tool, but they are not the purpose. The purpose is to be able to have a still mind, a quiet mind, so we can meditate and we can create this oneness within ourselves. And that being said, we are actually not separate from that oneness, but we think that we are. The only thing it takes is a little bit tuning of the mind and going within and creating the link between ourself and oneness, which is very possible and much more easy than people think. So this was about evolution according to yoga, and I hope it puts some things into perspective for you. And if you like the video, write me a comment. It's always nice. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.